Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be me sharing with you 3 methods that you can use to start Betfair value betting. And these are methods that anyone can do because you're going to be using a software that's actually going to tell you or advise you which value bets to place on the Betfair exchange, rather than you using your own judgment and having to follow along to certain sports and so on. Before I show you these 3 softwares though, and we go into how to use them and how much they cost and everything like that, I'll just mention the Profit Boss Betfair Trading Facebook group, which you can join via the link down in the description. But having said that, jumping onto the laptop then, the first one we'll be looking at is the Rebel Betting value betting software, which I've made a video about already, so I will leave a link to that below so you can check out the dedicated video to this. But this is just a software where it's going to show you exactly which bets to place that are value bets at the Betfair exchange. Now, one downside though that I would say about this is the price, basically, for anyone that's a beginner. This I would say is more for people that are more advanced and have a larger bankroll, maybe of £2,000 or £3,000 plus to start using, because if we scroll down here, you can see in order to get the exchange bets provided to you, it is the £149 a month version. Now the next bit of software, which I think will be more suited to beginners and people with maybe lower bankrolls, is actually this one here, which is called Betfair Renegade. And basically this just works in the same way as the Rebel Betting software, where it's finding you value ratings here, which you can see on the left hand side in red there, and then it's providing you with the Betfair odds and then the BR odds, which are the Betfair Renegade odds. So with this, you basically want to be looking for any Betfair odds bets that are below sort of 5.0 and but with a rating percentage of over 5.0. So I'll just try and find an example for you here. We can look through on the right hand side at the blue numbers, and the first one we can see is actually betting on Red Bull Salzburg, and that's back odds of 4.0. So it's saying the true value odds of that are 3.48. So by backing that team, Red Bull Salzburg, at 4.0, you're taking a nice value there of 9.61%. So that's over the 5% that we want, but it's under the back odds of 5. That's just because if you get in on these much higher back odds events, you're going to see a much longer time span of not hitting any wins. So that's why you want to keep the odds low there. And you can just search on here for matches and then press refresh and have another look. And this is aimed at just football betting on the Betfair exchange with these bets. Now, I'll tell you in a second how much that one costs, but before I do, we'll jump over to this tab and I'll show you this one, which is Bookie Blowout, which is actually provided by the same company. Now, the way Bookie Blowout works is you have, so actually if you click on the system here, it tells you exactly how it works. Then you go to bookmakers, it tells you which bookmakers you want to use. You go to setup, and it has videos here and everything that you need in order to get set up with using it, of course. But the easiest way to explain this in like less than a minute is basically you click onto mail and you get these emails here, or you can have it in this list here. So this software actually emails you with what bet to place on a horse for the next day. So Betfair Renegades for football, Bookie Blowouts for horse racing. So if we just look at this example at the top here, go ahead and click on that. This is what it will show you. So you'll get this the night before, and you'll go to the Betfred bookmaker and back that horse of odds of 19. And then the next day when the lay odds are dropping lower, you would then lay that horse at lay odds of 16.5. So with this system, you are trading out of it and taking a guaranteed profit. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, oh, I'm gubbed at Betfred, or you've had your account closed down, actually you could be using a site called BetConnect and just place the back bet through BetConnect there. This is what I mean about it's really beginner friendly, because it doesn't get any easier than that. The software is literally telling you exactly which bets to place and how to make the money from them. Going back to the Betfair Renegade one really quickly, I did just want to show with the Red Bull Salzburg match that we saw there as back odds of 4. I have actually placed that as a bet myself there, just with £1, because that bet will also be placed for the copy bet followers that are following my value bets over on CopyBet there. Now, with regards to the price for the Betfair Renegade and Bookie Blowout softwares, you actually get both of those for one price because it's part of this betting mastermind software. So you can do 4 payments of £58.80, which works out at, if we just bring it up on the calculator here, 58.80 times 4, so £235.20, or you can do a single one-off payment of £216. Now, that, to me, to get both of those softwares is just insanely good value for a one-off payment. So there's no monthly subscription there, like with Rebel Betting, where you're paying that 150 quid every month. It's really, really good to see that as just a one-off payment. And the really, even better thing is once you sign up to that, when you go and renew it for the next following year, you can actually see here. So the only cost to keep this active is an annual admin fee of £40, and that's for anyone that signs up to it after March 2020. So yeah, pay that one-off payment there, and then just £40 a year thereafter to keep that software going. But that is going to do it for this video. Please do let me know your thoughts about any of these softwares and if you're using them yourself. If you've had any value from this video, I do appreciate you pressing the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.